gone, spit. I see you left your girl on the balcony, now I'm gone with a CBW. Champion breadwinner, put it on my last quick fast, I make your head spin. You putting up your cash in a flash, I take your bread in. You thought we was the kings of the past before we crept in. The force is coming, the boss is running. Sacrifice is evident, the cost is nothing. My appetite ain't settling, my heart is thunder and spirit of legends. Feel free to bask in the presence. I'm back for the people, they ask for the essence. The angels singing for me to come back to the heavens. Chill, hold on to your Bibles and Qurans. I'm riding through the storm until tomorrow is born. Feel my title is strong, now that my rivals are gone. The flow's the most hot. Open up shop, open up shop, open up shop, open up shop. Open up shop, open up shop, open up shop. Open up shop, open up shop, open up shop. Open up shop, open up shop, open up shop. Shit, drop that new shit, flow exclusive. Wonder Woman Cadillac, yeah, dark translucent. I'm sweaty with the nightmare, so I'm gruesome. Beat a tight pussy up and then I leave it loosened. I hit the block, so they hit me with the scoop spin. Bring them all back like Obama with the truth man. Yeah, so now the game's getting realer. The demons in my hand, you don't want what I'm dealing. Yeah, I'm in the truck with a cup and shorty rock. Back of the range in a hotel parking lot. That's how I get it, baby. Fuck with me, baby. I take you through the city where we get it gritty, baby. Yeah, I'm dizzing for shizzle like it's it poppin'. Brooklyn on the East Coast, West Coast is Compton. And yeah, I'm romping all through your area. Trips in this bitch, and you know he ain't playing well. Open up shop, open up shop, open up shop. Open up shop, open up shop, open up shop. Open up shop, open up shop, open up shop. Open up shop, open up shop, open up shop.